I tell you, we're pretty pumped because not only is it a Friday, we have opened the patio officially with the first patio interview of the year. And this is exciting because we're using the grill for the very first time. So we're honored to have Wayne and Kasey Zandstra from Wally Parr Sausage in Hamilton. Hello, gang. And anybody watching, you might know Wally Parr Sausage, but that is actually, it's changing a little bit, Kasey. Yep. What are you guys changing to?
We're changing to Wally Parr Foods.
Okay, so why the change?
We're changing to Wally Parr Foods because we want to shift the focus on just the sausage into the other products that we have available at the store from Wally Parr. Okay. So because we have expanded our products, hence the reason why we're changing into Wally Parr Foods.
Okay, so let's, hey Wayne, let's open that barbecue here. I'm gonna tuck under here. I'm going under. Okay, so Wayne, open up that barbecue. What do you got cooking here, Wayne?
We have our signature steaks on the left side. Ooh. They're $8.99 per steak. No better price in all of Hamilton.
What kind of cut we got there? Is that a sirloin?
That's
what is
a
that?
Sirloin steak.
Sirloin
for $8.99.
What do we got for sausages
These
here?
Sausages are our most popular sausage, the honey sausages. We have them both in this style for suppers and also for breakfast sausage, so they're a little bit smaller.
Nice.
But they cook really nice. These have been on for 15 minminutes. They're almost done.
How do you feel that this is the maiden voyage for this barbecue? How's it working for you, Wayne?
It works very nice. Okay. It's a nice barbecue.
There you go. Okay, so how long have you guys owned the franchise, Kasey?
We've owned it for about a year.
About a year. Okay, so why get into the Wally Parr business?
Well, funny story.
Yeah.
Wally Parr business, it was introduced to me by my husband.
Okay.
Yeah, and I tasted the food, and oh my goodness, it was like the best food ever.
Right. So it was your idea, Wayne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Sort of.
Sort of.
We tested the food, and everything we tried was absolutely awesome. So
cool.
we're like, well, we can make a business out of this.
There you go. Okay, so let's get to some other things that you have here for us, Kasey. What's the is that chicken kind of a concoction there? What do you got?
This is a chicken stir fry. Okay. It's rice and some veggies with some chicken in there. It's very healthy for your family. Affordable, really good price. It's a 20-minute meal. So if you're tired, you get home and you're hungry, it only takes 20 minutes.
Okay. Wayne, could you cut up that steak for us, because we want to go through a couple other things, including like what sets you guys apart, Kasey, from maybe some of the other spots that are out there?
Well, what sets us apart, I would say, is one, when we package our products, we try to keep our products the packaging clear, so everybody can see the quality of our products. The next thing, we
kind of have them laid out here. We have the sausages and we have the steaks kind of laid out here right now.
Yeah. The next thing that I would say would make us different is we bake our buns in store fresh every day. So if you're looking for fresh buns, come down. We have them there available for you. The other thing I would say, you come down to the store, we give you a free cookie. Each customer gets a free cookie. Bring the kids down.
Is it a warm cookie?
Absolutely.
Did you bring any warm cookies for us, Kasey?
I didn't.
Calling you out for not bringing the warm cookies.
Yeah.
But you got to save them for your customers. So a warm cookie. Is there anything better than a warm cookie? I don't think so, right? Aaron, you like a good warm cookie, don't you? Yes, cameraman Aaron loves it. What are these sizzling cards here? These sizzle cards?
Those are our sizzle cards. So the purpose for the sizzle cards is to introduce our existing customers to more of the products that we have at our store. Also for new customers, we want you to come in, enjoy this $25 off your purchase.
This is just at the Hamilton location?
Yep. Well, no, it's at all the locations.
All the locations. I know you guys are based on Stone Church Road East, but there is other locations around too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
Absolutely. So yeah, we want you to enjoy this sizzle card. Come in, try the other products that we have. This is why we're expanding to Wally Parr Foods. Yeah. We want you to try the other products.
Right.
Right.
How's Wayne on the grill? You want to do a little review? I'm like, no, but like, I mean, just at home, how is he on the grill? He's pretty good on the grill?
He's pretty good.
He's pretty good.
Yeah,
okay.
He kicks me out of there.
He's like, how are we looking here, Wayne? How are we looking?
All the steaks are over there.
Good? Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. Can we make a little plate here? We only got 30 seconds left. I want to try some of this sauce too. Wayne, you love this this sweet and spicy Thai sauce. I'm going to toss a little bit on there. Okay. Once again, so Wally Parr Sausage is changing to Wally Parr Foods. Great to have Kasey and Wayne from the Hamilton location.
Would you like to try it?
Oh, you know it, huh?
There you go.
Good
get some
hearty meal in the morning. You want to hold that for me, Kasey?
Absolutely.
I'm going in because I want to get that sauce in there. So it's a nice spice, but not overwhelming.
Yep.
Very nice. Thanks, Wayne. Thanks, guys. Let's try this.